You don't need a designer to look world-class. Claude found 5 free sites where the best web design lives. No sign-up, no paywall. Stay till number 1. 5. Lapa Ninja, free landing pages, sorted by exactly what you're building. 4. One-Page Love, hand-picked one-page sites since 2008. 3. Awwwards, the famous one, and every site of the day paid $65 to be there. 2. Landbook, the biggest wall of landing page taste online. The catch, copy the pixels and it's a lawsuit. Change it 30% is a myth. Steal the structure, not the skin. 1. SiteInspire, no pay to win. Just the web's finest design, hand-picked, the cheat code. Free cheat sheet, all 5 plus what's legal to copy in the description. Go build.